Hi guys, I'm Abhijit. I'm here with a new science experiment today. To do this, we need a cup, a wet tissue paper, any plate, and a candle. We have to put the candle in the center of the wet tissue paper. Light the candle. And cover it with the cup. As you can see, the cup is able to lift the plate with it, and it takes some force to separate them. This happens because when the oxygen in the cup gets combusted, it creates a low pressure in it, which makes the air to tend to go inside the cup. Here, as the cup is totally covered, it instead pushes the cup and the plate together, which makes the suction happen.